Awning Windows Conway is a popular choice for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and functionality. With a variety of awning styles available, including residential awnings and commercial awnings, Conway residents can find the perfect solution to meet their needs. Awning experts in Conway offer a range of services, from custom awnings to awning maintenance, ensuring that your investment remains in top condition for years to come. Window Replacement Conway in Conway, Arkansas, is an essential service for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and aesthetics. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment, providing better insulation and reducing energy costs. Window professionals in Conway offer a wide range of window solutions, including weatherproof awning windows Conway and other window customization options to suit any style or budget. Custom awning windows. Conway provide a unique touch to any property, allowing for personalized design and functionality. Awning specialists in Conway can help you choose the right awning materials and accessories to match your specific needs. Whether you're looking for awning windows or traditional awning styles, Conway Awning Window Services have you covered. Window replacement services in Conway are crucial for maintaining the durability and performance of your windows. From minor replacements to complete window upgrades, Conway AR residents can rely on experienced window replacement professionals to enhance their home's appearance and functionality. Window enhancements, such as window insulation and window aesthetics, are also available to improve your property's overall value. Awning windows. Conway Design offers a wide array of options for both residential and commercial properties. With the help of awning contractors, you can explore various awning options and styles to find the perfect fit for your space. Awning materials in Conway AR are selected for their durability and weather resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance in any climate. Window solutions in Conway AR are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners and businesses alike. From window durability to window customization, Conway residents can find the perfect window enhancements to suit their preferences. Energy-efficient windows in Conway are particularly popular, offering significant savings on energy bills while improving indoor comfort. Awning maintenance in Conway is essential for preserving the appearance and functionality of your awnings. Regular maintenance services, provided by awning experts in Conway, ensure that your awnings remain in excellent condition, protecting your property from the elements. Awning windows, Conway accessories can also enhance the functionality and style of your awnings, providing additional benefits and customization options. Window upgrades in Conway, Arkansas are a great way to improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. With a variety of window aesthetics and customization options available, Conway residents can transform their living spaces with the help of window professionals. Weatherproof windows, Conway are an excellent choice for those looking to protect their homes from harsh weather conditions while maintaining a stylish appearance.